Let's see how to make a list in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are many ways, or rather, many types of lists that you can do in Microsoft Word. So first, we have bulleted lists, which is basically just listing out items in no particular order. And we also have a numbered list where if we want to list out a particular list of steps, for example, to follow, we can also add a multi-level list where we can organize items or create an outline for different things. And to create a list, you simply just click on the type of list that you want, and it should either change into a bullet or a number, depending on which one you choose. Now, let's say that we want to choose bullets. So, for example, let's type in first. And as you can see, when you click enter, another bullet will pop out after the first one. Now, this also happens when you choose a numbered list. So, for example, you type in first. The next number will be number 2 since it is a numbered list. And when you click tab, once you have a first line, when you click tab, it will automatically transform into a multi-level list, meaning you have subgroups and sublevels underneath your first thing that you listed in the particular list. And that is how you can make a list in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.